welcome to my channel. My name is Curliquin, or welcome back. And today I will be filming a demo and review on Shea Moisture's brand new palm oil and shea butter line. So stay tuned to see how I like it. So right now my hair is in an old wash and go, or I really don't even want to say old because it still looks pretty good. And if you want to see how I got this look or this wash and go, what products I use, it's in a previous video. So I'll be showing you guys Shea Moisture's detangling shampoo. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. So I just gotta show you guys this. The product is super watery, which is really good, I feel like, for a shampoo, because the slip is so good. So this is my hair after rinsing out the shampoo, and my hair still feels moisturized. It didn't really strip away the moisture, which I really like. For those who have semi-permanent hair dye in their hair, I think that this is definitely a color safe shampoo, because I did not see my red hair dye rinsing out as I was rinsing my hair, which is definitely something I was looking at, because I wouldn't really use it if that's the case. So even the rinse out conditioner has a lot of slip. It's super easy for me to detangle my hair. It's not really thick, so it's easy to glide on your hair strands. Yeah, it's super easy to detangle. So that's a plus. Okay, so this is my hair with the rinse out conditioner freshly washed out. My hair is soft and manageable, which is what it claimed to do. So I am gonna follow up with a deep conditioner, because that's what I would typically do with my hair routine whenever I wash it. So I'll be back. Okay, so now for the styling part. I have 3 different styling products. The first one is the Curl Stretch Pudding, and this product is supposed to minimize shrinkage to reveal a longer fro. Okay, so let's open it up. It's brand new. Super creamy. It has shea butter in it, so it really reminds me of like whipped shea butter. Yeah, super creamy. Okay, so the next product is the styling jelly. It says the same thing. It minimizes shrinkage. All the products say that it's good for 3 to 4C hair types. It smooths away flyaways, eliminates frizz, and then controls edges. Okay. Be careful opening this product, because the first time it spilled all over my lap, and we're not trying to waste product here. So it has a slightly different scent than the other products that I've smelled. Still very light. It's super watery, like water. Doesn't have a super strong hold, which is okay. Okay, so the third product I'm gonna be using is the Reshaping Shine Butter. So it's basically a refresher. As I'm rubbing it on my hands, it really just feels and looks like a hair oil, so that's what I'll be using it as. It says that it's a finishing butter that melts into your hair and scalp, giving you a weightless, natural shine. So a hair oil, so that's perfect, because it's quite a bit of product in here. So I don't even think you could even see. Okay, there we go. It looks like a sugar scrub, which is really weird, but okay. So I'm gonna be using these products to do a twist and curl. And if you don't know what that is, you twist your hair I'll be twisting my hair halfway, doing a 2-strand twist, and then I'll stop in the middle and add a flexi rod, or actually a perm rod, to the ends of my hair. Product as a LOC method. So I'll be doing the leave-in. I'll use the reshaping butter as an oil, and then I'll be using the curl stretch pudding as a cream. And I'll also be adding the styling jelly to add a little extra hold to my style. So first, the leave-in conditioner.
You need to do some research because right now you sound like a fool.
I think you need to take some proper.
You do it? It wouldn't kill me to take a lesson. So I hired the best
And
swing
then
coach in town.
I add the reshaping shea butter. And
Great. I teach profoundly disabled
I
toddlers.
mean, it still reminds me of a sugar scrub, but let me just show you guys. So
You should never be near water. I recommend you drain your pool and drink from small
you have to
cups.
rub it in,
I mean, I beg you to
and
listen.
it kind of like
Your children, they need your
warms up the product and turns into
Seems like
an oil.
graduation speech.
So this is how you do an Easter stopper knot. Good for tying up a boat or a hostage.
And I make sure to really work that
Anywhere.
into my hair. When
having fun, right? It's about putting
with
to
the
rest
curl
some
stretch
very
pudding.
ugly stereotypes. So no.
Weird party slogan, but okay.
slide twist
Poor Blair.
halfway,
I feel so bad for her.
stop,
Fear has
and make sure my hair
serving drinks. She looks so happy.
calmed out
She is
and
not happy.
smooth.
She looks happy.
She looks amazing.
That's because it's her job to look amazing.
She's really good at her job. Looking happy and amazing.
You want to really make sure
Really good
that
at job.
the ends of your hair
That's not a job.
are
Ladies
smooth.
of leisure are not fulfilled.
And I go up the
I am
roller
fulfilled, which is what makes me
until I hit
You don't look happy.
where the twist is.
Deep down, I'm happy. All right, like end of a long day, go to bed happy.
I hate when this happens.
happy now when she's away.
Then tell us how you did it. Did you saute the onions perfectly? Did you zest the lemons until your knuckles bled? Did you sacrifice everything for this casserole?
There we go. Much better. So my overall thoughts on the line, I did like the line, and super moisturizing. The products work well together. I will say when it comes to the reshaping butter, I showed you guys how it looked on the palm of my hand before it's rubbed in. So you really have to rub it all the way in, because I did notice that I had little flakes in my hair, but I don't think it's flakes. I think it's just the oil not rubbed in. I love the leave-in conditioner. I would be using it as a leave-in conditioner versus a rinse-out conditioner. I think that it works really well to define my curls, and it moisturizes my style. So I've been looking for a really good leave-in conditioner. I think I definitely found it with this one. The shampoo, I mentioned it earlier, is super detangling as it says. So I'll keep using this. the curl and stretch pudding I loved. All of their products from this line range from about $8 to $12. So with this being the most expensive one, and I feel like you can't go wrong with spending $12 on a pudding, because you can use it in multiple ways, and this jar is pretty big. It's 12 ounces. Okay, so lastly, the styling jelly. I wouldn't really go out and purchase this, just because I use Eco Styler gel when it comes to any of my twist styles, so that works pretty well for my hair. No need to change that. But so I hope you all liked my review and demo. I really like my hair. I'm hoping it will last, but I'll include footage on it as the days go by. So as you can see, by day 2, my hair was starting to get really frizzy in the front. So by day 3, I went ahead and pulled back the front of my hair. But then by day 4, I was able to pull off a really cute style by pulling up the entire front half of my hair. These products really kept my hair moisturized. It lasted for over a week without me having to re-moisturize my hair.